Hey there, what's up? I hope you're doing well. So our bot is ready. In this video, I will show you how it works. This is the interface of our bot. You have to type your email on which you want notifications, and here is the time period. After that time period, it will recheck the pages. So as you said 1 hour, you just need to type 60 minutes. And as this is demo, I'm going to do it for 1 minute. And you will get this. I will send this folder in a zip file to you, and you have to run this file and it will run. Okay, all you need is to, after typing email and time giving time interval, just click start button. It will first load the page. You can also count, it's not important. So it is now checking for new records. Okay, it hasn't found any new record. That's why it is giving itself wait for given time, and after that time it will reload the page and check them again. So to show the demo, I am going to delete 1 to 4 companies data from its records of this bot. Here are the values of companies. I am going to delete 4 companies data here, and one it will now reload the page and check them again. So it will find that 4 companies that are not now in its record. It will consider them as new and scrap their data and send to your email. This email it will send to the provided email. Okay, it has reloaded the page, and after reloading it will check them again. It is checking, and it has found that company's data for new, and it is sending email, and it has sent email, and now it is waiting for the next period. Here we got the email. We open it, you can see 0 minutes ago, and here is the file attached with the scrap data. This is the file. Our bot is working well. So if you need any changings or have any questions, please let me know, and I will send you the offer. If all of your requirement meeting to this bot, you can accept that offer and I will provide it. Thank you very much.